delivering value and interpreting global bestsellers. Hi, this is Sally's Book Talk. Today we're exploring the book Brain Rules for Baby. From the moment of conception, parents begin wrestling with endless parenting dilemmas. Should I wear anti-radiation clothing? How much daily exercise is ideal? Should we play prenatal music? Who wouldn't want their child to be reciting poetry at 4? Capitalizing on parental aspirations, marketers trap inexperienced parents with endless prenatal products. But do these products have scientific backing? Nobody really cares. Many parenting guides ignore the huge differences between children. Every child's temperament, IQ, and family environment are unique. The only universal standard lies in understanding fetal brain development. The author argues parents must understand basic brain science to avoid counterproductive efforts. Unlike parenting guides relying on personal anecdotes, this book combines cutting-edge research to show brain development from fetal stage, offering actionable advice. Author John Medina, leading neuroscientist, UW Engineering Teacher of the Year, U.S. Education Advisor, best-selling author, skilled at making neuroscience accessible. Brain Rules for Baby tops Amazon's neuropsychology charts. How to scientifically boost brain development. I'll break it down into 4 key insights. First, raising a healthy child. Second, nurturing an intelligent child. Third, fostering a happy child. Fourth, cultivating morally grounded children. Let's discuss the most fundamental aspect of parenting: how to raise a healthy child. After fertilization forms an embryo, ectodermal cells create the neural tube, precursor to brain and nervous system. Between 4 to 6 weeks gestation, fetal senses like touch and hearing begin developing. But neural development is a lifelong process. Some neurons keep developing after birth. Fetuses can't meaningfully respond to stimuli until the second trimester, around 6 months. Before then, let the embryo develop undisturbed. Expectant parents should focus on nutrition and mental health to support fetal growth. Remember the neural tube we mentioned? Its malformation can cause spinal tumors or spina bifida. It may also lead to incomplete brain development. This is why prenatal books universally recommend folic acid supplements. Folic acid is crucial for healthy brain development. Priority number 1. Women should take folic acid supplements before and during pregnancy. Omega-3 fatty acids are equally vital for neuron membrane formation. Since humans can't synthesize enough obtained from oily fish, studies show mothers consuming more fish during 4 to 6 months have smarter babies. Pregnancy diet advice floods every information channel. Actually, instead of confusing pregnancy diets, the best advice remains balanced nutrition with fruits and vegetables. Proper nutrition provides the foundation for fetal brain development. Does this mean pregnant women should eat as much as possible? Research shows fetal IQ increases as weight grows from 2.9 kilograms to 3.4 kilograms. But exceeding 4 kilograms leads to IQ decline due to oxygen deprivation or birth trauma. Moderate aerobic exercise, 30 minutes per day, helps prevent complications, reduced in late pregnancy. Maternal stress negatively impacts fetal brain development. Chronic stress leads to irritable temperament and reduced brain volume in children. Furthermore, it impairs future motor skills and concentration. For healthy development, prioritize folic acid, omega-3s, manage stress through exercise. With proper care, a healthy baby arrives amidst parental anticipation. Now, how do we plant seeds of intelligence? Our second focus: nurturing intelligent children. The simplest method: lead by example. Newborns mirror smiles, your grin sparks theirs. They imitate tongue movements and facial expressions. From birth, infants constantly observe and mimic parental behaviors. These observations shape their developmental trajectory profoundly. Children subconsciously absorb their parents' behaviors and speech patterns. When facing similar situations, children naturally replicate parental approaches. Before giving advice, let's correct a common misconception. Contrary to belief, children's brains prioritize survival over learning. Human skills evolved primarily for species survival, including learning capacity. Secure environments are prerequisite for effective education. Only when safe can brains handle secondary tasks, like alphabet learning. This explains why scared children can't focus after parental yelling. Four key nutrients for intelligence: breastfeeding, conversation, open ended play, and encouragement. First, persistent breastfeeding. Medical consensus confirms breastfeeding's importance. Breast milk contains irreplaceable nutrients for infant development. Taurine, crucial amino acid for neural development, and omega-3s are key components. American Academy of Pediatrics recommends exclusive breastfeeding for first 6 months. Continue breastfeeding alongside solid foods until age 1 when possible. Second, frequent verbal interaction. Teaching speech is universally cherished by new parents. Avoid repetitive, simple phrases. Diverse vocabulary boosts language skills. Prioritize high-quality interactions during communication. Research shows children with rich parental dialogue develop larger vocabularies, at least double that of the former group. These children demonstrate superior reading and writing skills in school. Open-ended play, like pretend cooking, fosters multiple skills. Unstructured play enhances creativity, problem solving, and social skills. When role-playing doctors, children adopt professional speech and behavior patterns. Educational DVDs restrict autonomy compared to organic learning experiences. American researchers conducted Snow White learning experiments. Group A heard verbal storytelling. Group B watched animation, then drew their interpretations. Group A produced unique Snow White illustrations reflecting imagination. Group B produced uniform Snow White images matching screen depictions. Days later, Group A created new interpretations showing enriched imagination. Group B rigidly maintained standardized representations. Information consumption equals knowledge acquisition. Screen-raised children develop passive learning habits that stifle creativity. Early digital exposure risks vision problems and physical health. Children may mimic inappropriate media behaviors. Praise effort instead. Classroom performance variance persists despite equal resources. Even gifted children require consistent effort to maintain performance. How to cultivate persistent motivation. The key lies in praise methodology. Children perceive praised areas as priority development directions. Crucially, praise children's effort. You worked hard, not intelligence. You're smart. Common parental misstep. Kids constantly praised for intelligence avoid challenges to protect self-image. Fearing failure means inherent inadequacy. Who would risk such psychological exposure? Summary: nurture intelligence through modeling behavior, ensuring security, proper nutrition, rich dialogue, creative play, and effort-focused encouragement.